The National Electrical Code, specifically NFPA 70, provides guidelines for electrical installations. Article 344 addresses rigid metal conduit, often referred to as RMC. Within Article 344, Table 344.65 specifies the maximum number of conductors permitted in a single raceway. This table is crucial for ensuring safe and compliant electrical installations. Table 344.65 provides the maximum number of conductors in a single raceway for trade sizes 3/4 inch through 6 inches. For a 1-inch RMC, the maximum number of conductors permitted depends on the conductor size. Specifically, for conductor sizes ranging from AWG 14 through AWG 6, the maximum number of conductors allowed is 4. For larger conductor sizes ranging from AWG 4 through AWG 3/0, the maximum number of conductors permitted is 3. These limitations are in place to prevent overheating and ensure proper heat dissipation within the conduit. Overfilling a conduit can lead to excessive heat buildup, potentially damaging the conductors and creating a fire hazard. Therefore, it is essential to adhere to the conductor fill requirements outlined in Table 344.65 of the National Electrical Code. Understanding how to use this table is crucial for electrical contractors and installers. When planning an electrical installation using 1-inch RMC, it is imperative to first determine the size of the conductors being used. If the conductors are AWG 14, AWG 12, or 10, AWG 8, or AWG 6, then a maximum of 4 conductors can be installed in a 1-inch RMC. If the conductors are AWG 4, AWG 3, OG2, OG1, AWG 1/0, AWG 2/0, or AWG 3/0, then the maximum number of conductors is reduced to 3. Always consult the latest edition of the National Electrical Code for the most up-to-date information and any applicable local amendments. It is also important to consider the ampacity of the conductors being used and ensure that the conduit is properly sized to accommodate the heat generated by the conductors. In addition to the conductor fill requirements, the NEC also addresses other aspects of RMC installations, such as support requirements, bending radii, and grounding. These requirements are all designed to ensure the safety and reliability of electrical systems. Proper planning and adherence to the NEC are essential for any electrical installation. Failing to comply with the code can result in costly rework, safety hazards, and potential legal liabilities. Therefore, it is always advisable to consult with a qualified electrical inspector or engineer if you have any questions or concerns about an electrical installation. Remember to always de-energize electrical circuits before working on them and to follow all applicable safety procedures. Electrical work can be dangerous, and it is important to take all necessary precautions to protect yourself and others. By understanding and following the National Electrical Code, you can ensure that your electrical installations are safe, compliant, and reliable.